morning. Y'all hear the thunder? Yeah, I had an appointment this morning, but I rescheduled it because the weather's just really nasty, and it was something that I could just totally reschedule. So, before I thought about rescheduling it, I had already gotten up and started getting dressed, and then I was texting James, and we decided that it's probably best I just reschedule for another day. So, I'm just gonna be in today. It's just nasty. So not a whole lot going on today. I don't even know if I'll have anything video worthy. Buster's still sleeping. It's a stormy, cozy day. I've got chicken thawing out on the counter. We're gonna have chicken Alfredo tonight, and got my candle going. So it's gonna be a cozy day today. I may or may not get out of my pajamas today. I don't know. We'll see. But I already had 1 cup of coffee this morning, but I'm really dragging. We have not had very good nights past couple nights here. It's been kind of just, it's been restless. I don't know what's been going on. So I'm kind of dragging. So I may make me another cup of coffee. I normally don't do that, but you know, it just might be a 2-cup day today. So, yeah, I love it when it's cozy and rainy like this, because we haven't had rain in a while, so we really needed it. My poor plants needed it, so I like a cozy rainy day every once in a while. Makes for good snuggle weather. I wish James was home. We could just kind of just lay in bed and snuggle up and fall asleep. Anyway, let me get me another cup of coffee and let's just see what today holds. I don't have much going on. I do have some clips of my candle sconces that I can include. They're not finished, but they look so much better for what I've done already. So I may include that, and I hope to get them finished this weekend. We'll see. I don't know what we got going on this weekend, but I'm gonna get me another cup of coffee and I will catch up with y'all in a little bit. So I just had a delivery, bathandbodyworks. So I'm gonna open this up and see what I ordered. I can't remember exactly what I ordered, so let's just check this out together. And yes, I'm still in my pajamas. Why not? They had a really big sale not too long ago on Bath & Body, and I get all their emails and stuff, and they had their candles on sale, and there was some other, it's like, I forget what the deal was, but it was a really good deal or I wouldn't have done it, and they had free shipping. I always do it if they have free shipping, because their shipping is crazy. So the first candle I've got, warm apple pie. This is a good one for like fall, Christmas. Yeah, warm apple pie. Okay. World famous pumpkin cinnamon something. Let's see. Again, these will get me through like Christmas, because I mean pumpkin, we have pumpkin pie at Christmas. So let's see. World famous pumpkin cinnamon bun. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I could just take a bite out of that. That smells so good. Okay. Cinnamon sticks. I think I got this one with Christmas in mind. I love the copper lids. Cinnamon sticks. Oh, cinnamon sticks. Let's see. Oh my goodness, that smells just like Christmas. Yes, smells so good. That one. I got 2 cinnamon sticks. Okay, I got 2 cinnamon sticks, so that's fine. I might give one to my mama. Yeah. And then this last one, I think I picked up for, I picked this one up for Donna, because when we went in the store, they didn't have them, or she couldn't find them or something. And it's her favorite, so I picked this one up for her, and it is the blueberry maple pancakes. She loves this one. It's not my favorite, but it does smell good in her house, and smelling this reminds me of her house. So I got that one for her. Good deal. I love my Bath and Body Works candles, but I don't go through them as much now because I only burn them on my kitchen stove because of all the soot and stuff. So yeah. So I'm gonna break these boxes down, get them in the recycle bin, and yeah. So I got me a good little stash of candles, and even got my baby girl one. And probably my mama. I'll probably give her a cinnamon stick one if she likes it. So I'll probably let her pick which one she wants. Because that's just the kind of daughter that I am. I'm just, you know, gotta take care of my peeps. Okay, so these are my sconces. We took the little piece off that held the candles off of both of these, and then I filled them up, the spots, the indentations, with some caulk, not caulk, filler, joint compound filler. I think that's what it was. Anyway, and then this one had like a little, you can see a crack here, so I did caulk that. I smoothed this out the best I could with my finger. And now I'm going to take, I did it on the bottom too to kind of fill in that the little nail hole on each one. So now I have this 120 grit sandpaper, and I'm just gonna kind of lightly sand this. I didn't want to get out my orbital sander because I think that would just be too much. But I think just kind of going over it with this little piece of sandpaper, just gonna smooth it out to where you can't really feel it. Smooth this out, and then I'm going to paint these. So let me get this done. That looks pretty good. So now I'm going to set it up and take them outside and give them a coat of, I'm going to use the same paint that I used on my table and bar stools. I have some of that left over, so that's what I'm going to use on these. So let me get that set up. Both painted, and I'm gonna let them dry, which would not take long in the sun, and then I'm gonna come out here and go over them with a second coat. So that's what they look like. So much better black, in my opinion. All right, got my chicken Alfredo cooked, got my noodles cooking. James will be home shortly, and I'm gonna call this a day. Buster laying here waiting on his DADDY. You waiting on Daddy? Are you waiting on your daddy to come home? He'll be home in a minute. Are you so excited? Just might have to have that window, that blind open for him. He'll sit here, and when there's another white truck that goes by sometimes, and I have to just calm him down and tell him that's not Daddy. But he looks so big, don't he? You're so cute, Buster. You're so cute. Tell everybody what time you woke up today. That Mama woke you up today. Tell them. Was it 1 o'clock? Was it 1 o'clock? All right, y'all. Yes, I'm still in my pajamas. So what? Ain't hurting nobody. It's just been one of them days. I have done some, you know, tidying up, cleaning, laundry, you know, just your basic everyday stuff that everybody else does. Nothing newsworthy, but got my dinner cooked, waiting on James. And then hopefully we're going to call it an early night tonight because like I said earlier, it has been a rough couple nights. We've just, both of us just not rested well. And I'm still battling allergies. Nothing like I was earlier last week, but, you know, it just is what it is. And, you know, so I'm ready to just kind of call it a night, get the kitchen clean, you know, all that fun stuff, and wake up refreshed tomorrow. Hopefully we have a better night. So thank y'all so much for hanging out with me. Let me know your thoughts on the sconces. Do y'all like them better black versus what they were like? I love them so much. I can't wait to kind of finish them and get the backer board put on them like I want to do. Just kind of beef them up a little bit. And I think they're going to look so good. They already look so much better black in my opinion, but that's just my opinion. So I wanted to include that little clip because that's phase one, y'all. Phase one. That's what happens when you thrift your home and you DIY stuff. So, you know, it is what it is. I'm kind of at a standstill until James gets me my boards cut like I want, and then I can stain them and then just put them together. But it'll all come together. I'm not going to stress it. It just ain't worth stressing over. Ooh, who am I? There was a time in my life this would have worried me to death until it was complete. Definitely growing up. There's hope for me yet. So thank y'all for hanging out with me. You know, some days are just like this. I love y'all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all. You so cute with you blanket on you. Are you freezing half a death? You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, you need snuggles? You need some loving? You're so rotten. Foster, you're rotten. Okay. Guess they just pulled up. You missed it. Daddy's home. What? Come on, Daddy's home.